Good day to all. In this session, let us study the inventory system with special reference to perpetual and periodic inventory system. What is inventory? The term inventory means a list of goods or stores in hand. ದಾಸ್ತಾನು ಎಂಬ ಪದವು ಮಳಿಗೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸರಕುಗಳ ಪಟ್ಟಿ. The term perpetual means at all times or continuously. So, in simple, perpetual inventory system means maintenance of inventory records on a continuous basis. The most important tool of inventory control is perpetual inventory system. ICMA London has defined the system as a system of record maintained by controlling department which reflects the physical movement of stock and their current balances. In simple, it is a method of recording stored balances after each receipts and issue to facilitate regular checking and to obviate closing down of work for stock taking. ಶಾಶ್ವತ ದಾಸ್ತಾನು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ಸರಕುಗಳ ನಿಯಮಿತ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. Now, what are the objectives of perpetual inventory system? The basic objective of perpetual inventory system is to make available details of the quantity and the value of stock of each item of store at all times and to establish the correctness of those details with the physical balances of stores for effective material and inventory control. What are the features of perpetual inventory system? The two important features of perpetual inventory system are continuous inventory recording, ನಿರಂತರ ದಾಸ್ತಾನನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು, continuous stock verification, ನಿರಂತರ ದಾಸ್ತಾನು ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. Under continuous inventory recording, we have two types, that is bin card and store ledger. These concepts will be discussed in detail in session 45. In the present session, let me concentrate only on the stock verification. Stock verification, or which is also known as stock taking, is another important duty of the storekeeper. He verifies the physical quantity of stock with the bin card balances. Now, the objective of stock verification is to ensure that book values must agree with the physical balances and also for the preparation of balance sheets and stock reports. There are two important methods of stock verification, that is perpetual and periodic stock taking system. What is periodic inventory system? Under this system, physical stock taking is done at the end of accounting period, generally 1 year, and hence it is also known as annual stock taking. Periodic stock ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧಕ ಅವಧಿಯ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ತಪಾಸಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದುದರಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನುತ್ತಾರೆ. Now, usually stock is verified by an actual count of closing stock on hand. A team of people taken from different departments is formed for this purpose. The stock taking team counts every item of stock and prepares stock verification sheet. In some cases, all production operations are stopped to conduct stock checking. The system helps to minimize manipulations in stores accounting. The task of stock verification is completed within a few days. Periodic inventory system nalli ತಪಾಸಣೆ ನಡೆಸುವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಉತ್ಪಾದನಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯವು ಕೆಲವೇ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತದೆ. What are the merits of periodic inventory system? It is cheaper method because permanent stock taking team is not required. Stock figures are reliable as it gives the quantity of actual stock of all items held in stock on a particular day. ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ದಿನದಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ನಿಜವಾದ ಪ್ರಮಾಣ ನೀಡುತ್ತದೆ. This method is suitable for small firms. ಅಂದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಧಾನವು ಸರಿಹೊಂದುತ್ತದೆ. Irregularities in stores are exposed. It also provides a check on employees. ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆದರೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. However, the practical limitations of this system are: it disturbs the daily activities of different departments. ದೈನಂದಿನ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆಯಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Stock taking task is to be completed within the shortest possible period and the reasons for discrepancies cannot be traced easily. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪೆನ್ಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಕಷ್ಟವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. This method provides for recording purchases, purchase returns on a daily basis but does not provide for a continuous inventory. Since stock verifiers are not experts in stock taking, the work is not perfect. There is no element of surprise as the date of stock taking is fixed and the dishonest employees get sufficient scope for hiding the manipulations. Then let us discuss now what is perpetual inventory or continuous stock verification. ಶಾಶ್ವತ ದಾಸ್ತಾನು ಅಥವಾ ನಿರಂತರ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ. Now under this system, stock verification is conducted throughout the year by a group of regular staff appointed for that purpose. They are assigned with the work of stock verification only. Therefore, normal functions of the production departments are not disturbed by stock verification activities. Every item of stock is checked at least a few times a year. This team picks up 10 to 15 items every day for verification. The team maintains the secrecy of the items to be verified on each day. ಶಾಶ್ವತ ಅಥವಾ ನಿರಂತರ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ವಿಧಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಷವಿಡೀ ಆ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನೇಮಕಗೊಂಡ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳಿಂದ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲನಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ತೊಂದರೆಗೊಳಗಾಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ 10 ರಿಂದ 15 ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. ತಂಡವು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಬೇಕಾದ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ರಹಸ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. What are the advantages of perpetual inventory system? Disagreement, discrepancies and errors are quickly discovered. More frequent checks avoid the repetition of errors. Remedial actions can be taken immediately. ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ತಪ್ಪುಗಳನ್ನು ತ್ವರಿತವಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. It is not necessary to stop production for annual stock taking. It is easy to decide the value of stock at any date as per the store ledger for the purpose of preparing interim account and balance sheet. There is no need of taking physical inventory of stock for this purpose. It has a moral effect on the employees. It helps to create cost consciousness among them. The disadvantages of excessive stock are avoided. It provides up-to-date, factual and prompt inventory information to the management. It provides a system of internal check on the activities of different departments connected with inventory. It ensures an efficient control over storing, issuing and using of materials. Experienced and qualified persons are appointed to check the stock. ನೌಕರರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಚ್ಚ ಪ್ರಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಸಲು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. ಅತಿಯಾದ ದಾಸ್ತಾನುಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗುವ ಅನಾನುಕೂಲಗಳನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಸಂಗ್ರಹಣೆ, ವಿತರಣೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಳಕೆಯ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಖಾತ್ರಿಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಲು ಅನುಭವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. Now let us proceed to what are the disadvantages of perpetual inventory system. The system is expensive and a small concern cannot afford to have the system. The information about actual stock of a particular item on a particular day may not be available. Only book figures are available. ಈ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯು ದುಬಾರಿಯಾದ ಕಾರಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. Let's understand the differences between continuous stock taking and periodic stock taking. Under continuous stock taking, it is usually held throughout the year. Under periodic stock taking is held once a year. Continuous stock taking is a continuous process, whereas periodic stock taking is completed at one sitting. Continuous stock taking requires permanent stock taking team consisting of experts, whereas periodic stock taking is carried out by temporarily formed committee composed of persons drawn from other departments. Under continuous stock taking, there's an element of surprise, whereas under periodic stock taking, since it is held on a specified date, there's no secrecy as to items to be verified. Under continuous stock taking, normal working is not affected. Under periodic stock taking, factory will have to be closed down for stock taking. Continuous stock taking is costlier, therefore small firms cannot afford to have that system. Under periodic stock taking, this method is cheaper, therefore even the small firms can afford to have. Discrepancies are reported throughout the year and proper action is taken without delay. Under periodic stock taking, discrepancies are reported at the end of the year when it may be too late for any action. With this, I end my session.